Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Jeep Cherokee key fob. This easy guide will help you quickly restore full functionality. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit. This entire process should take you only about 2 to 3 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small seam or slot along the edge of the fob, often near where the keyring attaches. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a careful twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. They should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.